Hello everyone! Sa namang successful na community benchmark mula dito sa ating community farm, demo farm ni Sustainable Innovation Farmers Association. And this farm is supported by Plantbox Innovation. We have a visitor coming from a Poblacion Women Federation, from a district federation composed of different presidents. So we welcome them into our demo farm and show them different circular technology that they can adapt it in their community. Ang community ay galing mismo sa Davao City. So they stayed here for an hour or two to learn about how we do a circular integration in our organically grown seedlings and farm. And we're looking forward to set a actual workshop training how to set up and how to start a circular economy urban gardening using the discarded plastic bottles.
The bigger, the better.
Isa sa mga na-observe namin sa ating mga bisita ay napaka-eager nilang matuto ng iba't ibang paraan para makaset-up sila ng kanilang sarili local solution in food security. At nakikita natin na possible, no, na magiging lead sila ng innovation sa mamamagitan ng ating mga initiative using the Trust to Crop initiative for the community.
Kaya tingala ko kay gi-cover siya og fuel.
So ang tubig na sa ilalom kanang pure tubig lang sir o
Nanay Lutsol na Nutri-Solution na timpla na.
ano ta solution na?
Mas ma-adapt ni siya man kay ano ang space niya dili kayo.
Oo,
Dako, pwede ra siya ibitay.
Bitay pwede.
Oh, testingan na nato na para na atay.
Pero ang tubig kailangan
try niya na sa among barangay kung makakuan sa ano, at least siya nga practitioner. Dili siya nakita din ako.
Pero kung wala yung kanang solution, wala din.
Pag tubig lang, dugay-dugay kaya magtubuan na. Pag water lang inyo ang kuan, make sure na vermicast o kukupit ang inyong substrate.
Ayun, nakaka-excite naman, no? Makita na they are eager to try the ideas. So, napapa-lecture tayo ng wala sa oras on those questions that they raise. And this is the very essence of immersion. It's very interactive, dynamic, and locally focusing on how to set these solutions for their community. Nakakatuwa, and looking forward to make things happen with our partners, especially the women community.